update. I started laying the bricks down for the floor in the new section, which is going to be right here. These aren't the permanent boards, but what I did is I put them down just to see for size. These are two 4x4 boards. As you can see, I got the concrete blocks underneath, spaced out evenly on the side. That's just an extra piece I put in the middle just for where I'm going to be standing because of this big block in the middle here. Just show you. It's going to work out really well. I got the channels in between the bricks for moisture that might get underneath everything. The air flow through and come on out. I don't have to break up that big block in the middle. It's low enough. It's the same height as all the cinder blocks. I'm going to go around the edges. I'm up to here. Once I get the wood for the top of this week, I'm going to start emptying the tent out over here. Because that thing's full and that takes up the rest of the space for what I'm doing. But I'm going to let this dry out overnight, make sure everything's dry. I swept it already. I'm going to spray some bleach down just in case. So I'll show you that while I'm here. If I can find my spray bottle of bleach. Here it is. Just a precaution, just spray a little down just to make sure there's nothing. I'm also going to wash this all down later, but for now, just get a little bleach down just to clean everything up a little bit. Let's just start getting that stuff if there is anything down here. Like I said, these are going to go like this. The floor is going to be in the corner here, kitty corner, so I'm going to be working right in front of it here. There's going to be a shelf right there, a shelf across the front there, a door over here. Door is going to be here, and then it's going to be a wall to the end of the tent, across that whole other side and across the whole back. So it's going to be a big ass room. That's all I had laying around. But it's 48 inches by, I don't know, some odd number. It's going to be 8 feet 2 inches back from that back wall, and 10, 11 feet across. So it's going to be a decent sized room. Move you over and show you. So that's where it's going to be. That tent's going to be over in the other section way back there because that's all getting cleaned out. I'm putting the tent as a grow tent. And then I'm going to have 3 or 4 big 4-foot wide shelves, or 36-inch shelves, 5-tier, 18 inches deep. I'm going to hopefully get a stainless steel table for the corner over there. I saw a corner table, a kitty corner stainless table. I might just build one and put epoxy finish on top. Make it a lot cheaper. And I have a roll of carbon fiber and resin to make a carbon fiber top on it. A resin carbon fiber, that might look really nice. Put some wood, cut a piece of kitty corner wood for the corner back here. Whoa. That's why I need 3/4 because this is not strong enough to walk on. So over here is going to be a kitty corner flow hood. It's going to stick out from the corner back here, probably about this far. So it's going to come out a good 2 feet because my hood's back there, that big box. So I mean, if I put it over here, it would only stick in, 8 inches into the room, but I don't want it over here anymore. I want it kitty cornered, a little bit lower, at the height of a regular table. But I definitely need thicker wood because I don't want to have to watch where I'm stepping. Now once the wood is down, there's going to be plastic on top of it, and up the ends, up both sides. Over there against that wall is going to be studs with plastic over there. Plastic on all the walls. It's going to be black plastic, so should work out well. So anyway, step one is done. Got a pile of bricks here I got to go through still. I got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got 12 more. So I used 8 over here, so 12 more. I should be able to get 5, 10, 11, 12. I'm gonna need a few more bricks, so I'll have to find some more bricks. But anyways, this is how it's gonna look once I get it done, or once I get more started. But I just wanted to show you my progress. Everything that was over here is now piled up over here. So it's basically the thing of moving everything, getting rid of that's all the trash over there. It's a big bucket of stuff I've collected from the dump over the years. It's just time to get rid of it. This was all stuff when I first started I thought I needed more than anything in the world. All the containers and styrofoam coolers and all this stuff I thought I needed, even stuff like this bucket. And then there's another cooler under there that's gonna go. This shelf's gonna go. This is good stuff up here. I got my cutting thing from like school. I don't know where it came from, but I have one thing. It's got a big guillotine cutter. And let's see. All my contaminated jars I gotta get rid of. I got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 contaminated things I gotta get rid of. These are looking nasty, huh? Yay. This is interesting. Anybody ever have this happen? Your jar goes green, and then the mycelium starts going over to green. What would you do? Would you try to save it? So it's completely triked out, but the mycelium is taken over to trike in a couple spots. Now this is not the trike taking over the mycelium. The mycelium is actually coming out over the trike. I think that's kind of neat. I'm going to let it keep going. And that's all that garbage. This is another one, kind of slimy. Trying to see if there's some growth there. I'm not going to save it. This is too old. This is from 826. Anyways, have a good day, guys. Just wanted to show you my progress. Step 2 complete.